Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. In the first video I think that we could take a look at the Australian dollar. So it was a long time since we have taken a look at it previously. So that was approximately in the beginning of the June. Besides, on the euro currency right now we have no new inputs, so everything stands as it should, as we have discussed. Just take a look at the hourly chart. Here's our yesterday's catalyst triple to sell, so market has shown a bit deeper A, B, C, D action. So market has completed the OP and turns down again. Right now is standing lower. So nothing actually to add to previous view. But in an Australian dollar, it also could be interesting situation in the nearest time. So if we'll take a look at the weekly chart, market is coming to the major support. So this is major 618 support, 73.26. And maybe it is difficult to expect some really bullish reversal here, but at least minor reaction on this support is really quite possible. For example, if you take a look at the harmonic swings that market has formed previously, it's very similar, as you can see, every time. Here's just a bit smaller, here is a bit greater. But even if we will take a look at this smallest reaction, and we'll suggest that maybe market will show something of that sort, this will be not really a small distance. So take a look, this will be 74.98, so 75. So it's 150 pips on the possible bounce. It's not really bad possibility. So some minor action here probably will happen. So we need just wait when the market will hit this area. On the daily chart, guys, this area also will become kind of the agreement, because here we're also coming to the major XOP target. Or better to say that it's already has been hit recently, 73.78, this large ABC top XOP extension. In fact, this could be called even as a weekly ABC pattern. That is our guidance triple to sell that we have discussed last time. So if you remember, we said that you could try and take the short position based on this patience. Market is tending to this target. So now market has hit this target. Currently, guys, we need to keep an eye on possible bullish patience, bullish reversal patterns that could be formed. And from that standpoint, it's interesting to see this plunge down. So this is, you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the downside. Even on the daily chart, this thrust down is suitable for Judd Napoli patrons, whatever they will be. So it would be double repo, could be print bottom. That's why I think that currently it's one of the patrons that we could keep an eye on is the double repo buy, because on the 4-hour time frame chart you could see it's already first cross of the 3x3 has happened. Since this top, market hasn't shown any meaningful retracement. 3x3 moving average has not been crossed by the price. Very good thrust down. Once market has hit the XOP, minor retracement, downward continuation, and it seems that when the market will hit 73.26 area, it's could become the second bottom of the double repo. So anyway, if double repo will be confirmed, that could become particularly the pattern that could trigger the upward bounce that we have talked about. And take a look at that effect. This will be somewhere around the double repo target. So we said it's 75, and this from this thrust down, it will be approximately 74, 70, 75 probably. From the daily thrust, this definitely will be somewhere around 75 or 50% of the thrust. It's minimum target of the double repo. So currently it's very difficult to forecast how it will turn in reality, but currently I think that we could keep an eye on this important support area on Australian dollar, and we could keep an eye on possible double ripple pattern that could be formed here today, tomorrow maybe, or at least in the beginning of the next week.